Good morning students, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to revise the exercise 1.2, that is insertion of brackets. First of all, we recall the rules. Rule number 1 is if any part of an expression is enclosed within a brackets and the sign plus prefix, then the sign of every term within the bracket remain unchanged. So called a rule number 1. Next one is rule number 2. Any number of terms in an expression may be enclosed within a pair of brackets and the sign minus prefixed. Then the sign of all terms placed within a bracket are changed from plus to minus and minus to plus. Next, go for some example sums. First one is enclose the second and the third term within a pair of brackets preceded by plus sign. So here enclose the second and third term. Before the bracket there is a positive sign. So using the first rule, if we are enclose the second and third term before the bracket there is a positive sign, means we cannot change the sign of the second and third term. So here the question is 3a minus 2b plus 2c. So your solution is 3a minus 2b plus 2c, which is equal to, what's the first rule? That is enclose second and third term within a pair of brackets. Before the bracket there is a positive sign. That means we cannot change the sign of the elements within the bracket. That is here the second term is minus 2b. So whatever it is you have to write it. Then the third term is plus 2c. So this is your answer. Suppose you have cross multiplied plus into minus, minus 2b, plus into plus, plus 2c. So we get both the LHS and RHS are equal. Is it clear? Next question number 2. A minus B minus C. Here minus B is the second term and minus C is the third term. Here enclose the second and third term. So the solution is A minus B minus C, which is equal to A. Have to enclose the second and third term within a bracket before there is a positive sign. That means what is given in the second and third term, whatever it is, you have to write it. Don't change the sign. That is minus B minus C. So this is our answer. Is it clear? The next one is 4x plus 3y minus 5z. Here what is the second term? Yes, well done. 3y is the second term. Minus 5z is the third term. The same method, 4x plus 3y minus 5z, which is equal to, first term is 4x, then before the bracket there is a positive sign. Here what is the second term? Plus 3y, that is 3y. What's the third term? Minus 5z, and close the bracket. Is it clear, ma? Yes. Shall we move to the next one? Yes, second one is enclose the second and third term within a pair of brackets preceded by minus sign. So using the second rule, before the bracket there is a negative sign. That means within the bracket you must change the sign of the elements. Here enclose the second and third term. The question number 1 is A plus 2b plus 3c. Here what is the second term? Is 2b. What's the third term? 3c. So the solution is A plus 2b plus 3c, which is equal to, first term is A, before the bracket there is a minus sign. So what is the rule? you must change the sign of the elements within the bracket. Here the second term is plus 2b. It's changed into minus 2b. Then plus 3c is minus 3c. So you have to remove the brackets. We get the LHS. That is minus into minus plus 2b minus into minus plus 3c. So your answer is A minus of minus 2b minus 3c. Is it clear? Next question number 2. 3a plus 4c minus 5d. Here the second term is 4c, third term is minus 5d. Here enclose the second and third term within a pair of brackets preceded by negative sign. The solution is 3a plus 4c minus 5d, which is equal to, the first term is 3a, then put the minus sign, start the bracket. Here second term is plus 4c is changed into minus 4c, minus 5d is plus 5d. So this is your answer. Then the next question is A minus B minus C. Same method, enclose the second and third term, A minus B minus C. Here second term is minus B, third term is minus C. So A minus of, so second term is minus B is changed into plus B, and minus C is plus C. So this is the answer for the third question. Is it clear? Yes. Next one method is insert brackets to the left hand side at the right place to make the identity true. So this is the identity, this is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. You must insert the bracket in the left hand side, that is LHS of the equation, in the right place to make the identity is true. First of all, you can check the LHS and RHS. Here the third term sign is different. So simply have to enclose the second and third term. Whatever it is, you have to join it. That is solution. First check LHS. X minus y minus z, which is equal to x minus, enclose the second and third term. Whatever it is, you have to enclose the second and third term. Next, remove the brackets. That is x minus into plus is minus y, minus into minus plus z. So we get the RHS is x minus y plus z. So here enclose the second and third term is the correct answer. Here comes the answer. Next question number 2. 7p minus 6p minus 3p, which is equal to 4p. So here the LHS is 7p minus 6p minus 3p and the RHS is 4p. Here we have to enclose any two terms. We must get the value as 4p. So here suppose I enclose first and second term. That is 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. But here the value is 4p. So here enclose second and third term. So first of all write the question. That is 7p minus 6p minus 3p, which is equal to, here enclose second and third term. That is 7p minus of 6p minus 3p, which is equal to 7p minus of 6 minus 3 is 3p. Next remove the brackets. 7p minus into plus is minus 3p, which is equal to, here plus 7 minus 3, that is 4p. So we get the RHS 4p. So here enclose the second and third term is the correct answer. Here comes the answer. Next question is simplify 3a minus 4b plus 6a minus 6b plus 4a. That means you have to group the like terms, then you have to simplify. That is solution. First of all, write the question, that is 3a minus 4b plus 6a minus 6b plus 4a, which is equal to, here what are the like terms? Yes, 3a, 6a, 4a. These three terms are like terms. So you have to write it within a bracket. 3a plus 6a plus 4a. Then close the bracket. Then put the plus sign. Then what's the another one like term? Is minus 4b and minus 6b. Is another like term, that is minus 4b minus 6b. Close the bracket, which is equal to 3 plus 6 plus 4 is 13. A is the variable, put plus. Here both are same sign. Same sign means add and put the sign, that is minus 10b, which is equal to 13a plus into minus minus 10b. So here first step, you must enclose the brackets and arrange the like terms. Then we have simplify. Here all the values are positive sign, so I have to add it. We get 13a. Here both are same sign, so add and put the sign, that is minus 10b. Here plus into minus minus, that is 13a minus 10b. This is the answer for this question. Okay students, let us recall what we have learned today's class, that is insertion of brackets. Rule number 1 is, if any part of an expression is enclosed within a brackets and the sign plus prefixed, then the sign of every term within a bracket remain unchanged. Then rule number 2 is, any number of terms in an expression may be enclosed within a pair of brackets and the sign minus prefixed, then the signs of all terms placed within a brackets are changed from plus to minus and minus to plus. Okay students, thank you.